didn't notice you there. Hey, welcome to Adaptalift. Maybe you want me to show the rest of the workshop with you guys. So come on. Come on. So now we are in Wetherill Park, New South Wales, yeah, in Sydney. This thing part of the Adaptalift here, this is where we store our new trucks from the factory. Yeah, this is where all it starts. From the PDI, from the prep, there, here. And then, yeah, this is the bay, one of the bays. This one is Eric Bay, Ma Bay, all Filipino Bay, almost Filipino Bay here. Yeah. Hey, Michael. Yeah.
Hey.
That's Michael. Yeah, remember Michael from the Philippines too?
No.
Yeah. Hi. Say hi. Say wave to my blog. This is my blog, Michael.
Hi.
Hi. Hi. And hi, Adam. Yeah, see? That's my good-looking fella. Yeah. Yeah, this is the real work happen. Yeah, see that? And here, this area here, like here, if you can look at this area here, this area where we store the batteries for the battery truck, the electric truck. And hey, come on. And this here is the fab bay. The fab bay where we do the fabrication thing. Hey Chris, this is Chris, look. Yeah, my fella. And then, what else we got here? And then, here, come on. What else? Here, if that's the area where the truck from the factory, and this is the area where we finish the PDIs. Here, the truck ready to go. This is a truck ready to go. See that? It's ready to go with the tags. Come on. The people in this area is all good, man. Very all good. I'm very excited working here. I'm very thankful working here. I'm very thankful. And here. And here. See that one? Yeah? That's where we store the tines for our truck. This is where we paint all of our stops, like the load guard, the refurbished truck, like this one. This truck here is going to be refurbished. Looks not nice, but maybe 1 to 3 days, this truck will be brand new. Looks brand new. Very awesome, yeah. And here. And this is outside of Adaptalift. Look, hi boss. Look, hi. This is the rental truck. All of these are rental truck here. And then after the customer rented the truck, they return us here, and then we need to make it again good, and then make it nice, paint, repair, service the truck, and then put it here, and then this truck over here is ready to go. And then this part here, the messiest part, but the good part, my favorite part is here. This is all the rental product from the customer here. This one here, all of it, the return. This is all the return. This is the thing that needs to be done, needs to work. This is the part here that we're working, most of it, we all work with. This is why we're here. Yeah, this is why we're here. So, thank you for visiting us, Adaptalift Wetherill Park, Sydney. I hope to see you soon. Thank you, bye-bye!